In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 0x80070035. The network path was not found. First, go here, type in services, and go here, and you want to find a folder that's called tcp/ip netbias. So here it is. Once you find it, you want to right click properties and make sure this is set to automatic. So set it to automatic, click apply, click OK, and make sure you click start, apply, and OK. As you can see, if it's already started like mine, what you want to do is restart it. So go here, click restart, and after that you can close this down. Next thing you want to do is you want to go here and type in control panel. So here, go to network and internet, go to network sharing center, and here click on your internet properties. Down here, find internet protocol version 4 properties, click advanced, wins, and enable net bias over TCP, and then press OK. Press OK, OK, close this down. And then the last thing we want to do here is go to CMD, right click, run as administrator, and then we will run these commands. So first ipconfig/renew, and then you want to run this second command. So IP, so let me just remove this. So after you run the first one and press enter, you want to run this second one, ipconfig flush DNS, and then you want to run the third one, ipconfig/release, and press enter. And then finally net int ip reset log.txt. Once you do this, you should be hopefully your error is fixed.